welcome back to my channel. So today I'm getting started on something that I've just been wanting to get my fingers into for about a week now, because we were in South Florida and we were to a place called Isaac Farms, and it is a place that has succulents, as you can see, all over my table. Well, I'm excited about being able to decorate with them in my home. And that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to take you along on the journey of putting these pots together and showing you what I'm going to do with them. So let's get started. So when we went to Florida, we stopped in North Carolina to see Addie and her family, those of you who know who she is, and we went shopping. We went to Ross's, and I ended up picking up this big one. This is really pretty cool, and I've got my rocks started in the bottom here because I want to put rocks in it so it drains well. This here I got, this is to hang on the wall. I've already got my dirt in it, and my dirt that I'm using is actually called a cactus dirt. So the potting soil is this, and I just got it from Walmart. I have put rocks in the bottom here. It is so that drainage goes well. I do not have a hole in the bottom of this big pot. I would recommend, the holes, or else, put the rocks in. The other thing is, I am not teaching you the care of these things. I'm actually just showing you what I'm doing with them, with my pots, and decorating my home with them. You can go online and find the care of the succulents, how to take care of them, how to actually take care of propagating and making little babies, which I've got that process on the go too, which is, I'm excited about that because that's going to make it so that I have more. And I was able to share with my girls when I came back. So they all got a part of these. This looks like a pile, but oh my, you should have seen what they took home with them yesterday. I do know that you can put your succulents outside. So I'm showing you a group here that I actually dug out of my flower bed, and of course this is coming off of winter. But I've had these in my flower bed for going on 4 years. I had done some gardens for one of our son's wedding, and I just took them out and put them into the flower bed. And it wasn't very many of them, but they have multiplied. There's still more out there, but look at the colors. I had like 2 different kinds. So anyhow, some of these can be put outside and wintered over. I know that putting leaves on them does help to winter them over. So give it a try. There again, I would recommend looking it up on how to do it. This kind of just happened for me. So I'm going to take some of these and incorporate them with this. Okay, so I want to just say that this middle one here is not a succulent. This is what they considered a snake plant. Okay, so I am keeping all of the little babies that fall off. That's what they're called, little babies. Then they actually turn into mothers. And there again, like I said, if you look this up online, you will find out really how to care for these. So my little wall envelope here, I am so excited about this. I think I'm going to put one that hangs out the front of it. Oh, I'm going to go with this. Okay, there it is. Isn't that cute? And I'll be showing you where I will hang that. Okay, this tier thing here, I've not been able to use it very much just because my table gets used for a lot of different things. But what I've decided to do with this is make my top into a bed with my succulents in it. I think that's going to be so fun to have on my table. And I'm doing it on the top and not on the bottom because it does have to have some sunshine. So here we go on this one. Okay, so this is what I've got going on so far. It's going to be kind of really pretty from all sides. Okay, so I've decided to put this on my stand here that I got at Ross also. And this little plant down here, I got to show you this one. This was my favorite one. Favorite succulent, and I decided to put it in its own pot for now. Isn't that beautiful? Also, while we were at the farm, I got these cute air plants. And found these absolutely adorable little dishes and put my rocks into it. Over here are some more of the air plants. And some of these are blooming. Those of you who watch me on my stories on Instagram have already seen all this fun stuff. So I decided to hang my cute bag up here. Got me another plant over here. So yes, I am loving my plants. So this is what my little garden ended up looking like. And look who I have in the top here. He actually is from the Dollar Tree. So the Dollar Tree has some pretty cool things. I ended up not using my white stones in anything. So I'm gonna leave this in the middle of my table. I think he's quite cute. Okay, I hope that you have enjoyed this video and that it has inspired you to do some house plants. The cool thing is, with summer coming along, these succulents can actually be set outside and it will just root really nice in the bottom. And by fall, if I think about it and get back to it, I'll show you another video on separating these out and what I'll do with them for this winter. So anyway, yeah, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one. I'll see you in the next one. I hope that from you, give me a comment on the plants.